bedroom. Yes, my bedroom. But we're not talking about my bedroom today. We are literally going to go on an adventure with myself. So I went on a helicopter ride. So if you remember, I had a bucket list. So the burning question, how did I book the helicopter ride? Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you how I did it. So first, sorry, let me just scroll through a little bit. I went on an app called Groupon. So I clicked on Groupon and then I typed in flight experience. So I put in flight experience, and as you can see here, you've got some options. So you choose which one you want or which one is in your area, and then that's literally how you book it. It's very, very simple. And also you've got a choice of if you want champagne and chocolate, which we went for. And yeah, you guys cannot say that I did not give you guys a hookup, because yeah. So I've attached a few snippets of my experience on the helicopter. However, there's not that much footage of myself being on the helicopter, because like I was so in awe of literally the views. The views were insane, and I'm a little bit afraid. Well, I'm a little bit afraid of heights. So when we were in the sky, I was literally a bit shaky. So I don't really want to put those footages out for you guys to see. But overall, I had a really, really, really great time. If you carry on watching, you'll see my experience. I put a little bit of snippets in. So I hope you enjoy.
Is a four-letter word. Trust yourself and you get hurt. Tell yourself it's so absurd. Four-letter words. Four-letter words. I hate it when you're like this. You never get excited. Get struck by lightning. Don't hide it, no. Don't hide it, no. Soulless man, do you feel it? Love hurts more when you're in it, yeah. Gravity at its limit, at its limit. Do you feel it?
Unfortunately, you guys didn't see us go into the helicopter. However, due to health and safety reasons, we weren't allowed to like take selfies and stuff. However, we did go in. It was like literally a 5 mile radius. Yeah, 5 mile radius in which we went on. Took us all around the area, and yeah, like literally it was a very fun experience. We received a box of chocolate and champagne, which was really, really nice. Overall, definitely worth ticking off my bucket list. I had an amazing time. The crew was great. I'll put the link and everything down below so you guys can then go. Again, this video is not sponsored. It was literally something that we went and go and do, and it was absolutely amazing. So thank you. Stay tuned for more videos like this. Thank you very much and have a great day.